How to make money on the internet. In today's day and age, making money is more than a luxury. It's a necessity to nearly everyone on the planet to not only pay the bills, feed ourselves, buy nice things, invest, save, donate, and etc. Unlike in the 1990s, more men and women nowadays have the ability to make money or even earn a living for providing a multitude of services online. We've all seen videos of people claiming to be millionaires. We've all heard of people who took their brick and mortar stores online and created empires. We've all came across ads of people claiming to hold the key to success online. Whether you're looking to make some quick cash or to build a business, there are numerous ways you can make money online today. If you are serious about making a career out of it, you need to focus on passive income as opposed to active income. Passive income will help you thrive, whereas active income will only help you survive. However, if you are looking for ways you can start earning money in the next few minutes, there are two things to consider. On one hand, some ways will provide you with instant results. On the other hand, other ways will potentially transform your finances over a certain amount of time. Here are just a few ways to make money online in 2020. Online surveys. A popular way for students to make some quick and easy money is to fill out online surveys in their spare time. Research companies are always recruiting new members worldwide to answer surveys and test new products. For a few minutes of answering a couple questions, you can make enough for a cup of coffee, some snacks, a gift card, a shirt, or even enough to pay your cell phone bill. Affiliate marketing. If you currently have a presence on social media or have a blog or website, you can start generating income almost instantly by promoting all sorts of companies, products, services, and offers online. Freelancing. Say you are a great writer or an awesome graphic designer. There are companies currently looking to hire you for a specific task. Perhaps managing their social accounts, creating their logos and banners, write articles, etc. in exchange of money. The best thing about this is that you can work for clients around the world with just an internet connection, a computer, or a cell phone. Start a blog. If you're looking for something with immense growth potential, you should consider blogging. Creating a blog could potentially turn into one of the most sustainable income sources. As long as it is set up correctly and with the right content, you could potentially make recurring passive income in the long run. Selling things you no longer use. Getting rid of things you've had for a long time can be a sentimental experience, but it can also be very liberating. If you have a lot of stuff you no longer have use for, instead of trashing them, why not make a few bucks by passing them to someone in need? Write and publish books. Becoming successful with ebooks requires you to create value. The easiest and best way to make money continuously is to put together information you have researched and compiled on a common problem and then presenting it or them in an easy format that anyone with little to no experience can follow. In conclusion, remember, whether you are looking to make some quick cash or to build a business, there are numerous ways you can make money online today. However, if you're serious about making a career out of it or potentially create a legacy out of it, you must focus on passive income as opposed to active income. The end.